Hello everyone, I'm Abdissa from Speak English with Abdissa. Today we are going to learn about do and does. Do and does. First let's begin by the meaning of do. To do means to perform, to accomplish an activity. Do and does is used in the present time. Do and does is used in the present time. Most of the time we use it in the simple present tense. Let's begin the way we use it. We use do and does in different ways. The first one is as a main verb. We have two types of verbs, main verb and helping verb. Helping verb or an auxiliary verb. Good. Here we will see how to use them in a main verb. Look, I do. Here we have to put the subject in the beginning. I do. You do. We do. They do. So here we can add another phrases here to complete the sentence, to complete the meaning of the sentence. I do an exercise. You do the dishes. You do the housework. My homework. You can use anyone's what. They do homework. They do the laundry. They do yoga. Yoga means it's a type of sport. So here with this subject is we use do. The next one is how we use does. When we use does, the subjects that we use are he, she, it, Bilal. Okay, the name of any person. Okay, you can put here the name of any person. So that we have does. Here there is es here because the subject is all of the subjects here are third person singular. Okay, let's make some exercises. Okay, let's complete the sentence by adding those phrases. He does an exercise. She does an exercise. You can change the phrases. Okay, it does work. Bilal does an exercise. Bilal does homework. Bilal does the laundry. Okay, so actually you can use this exercise with any subject. Say for example, he does an exercise. She does an exercise. It does
an exercise.
Actually, what's it with this subject? We don't say it does an exercise. We have to say what? It does work. Yeah. So that actually Bilal does an exercise because an exercise is an activity that you do. Okay. But the subject it is useful for what? For not for persons, for objects. Okay. For animals. Okay. Good. So in this way we use do as a main verb. To do means to accomplish, to perform. The next, let's see them how to use in negatives. How to use them in negatives. Okay, when we make it negative, we have to use do plus not. Okay, that will be don't. Don't. What is the subject is?
I don't.
I don't. Very good. You don't.
They don't.
We don't.
They don't.
They don't. They do not. This one will become what? Do not. So let's use it as a contracted form. Okay, let me use it as a contracted form. Most of the time in spoken English we use a contracted form. I don't what? I don't know you. You can say, okay? I don't know the lesson. I don't know him. Okay? Okay, let's make a sentence using you don't. You don't?
You don't.
You don't understand me. You understand. Okay, we don't work. We don't work where? In the bank. We don't work at school. Okay? They don't what? They don't cook. They don't teach. They don't what? They don't eat. They don't think. Okay? You can use it in negatives. Do not. Look. So in this case, this do is used as a helping verb or as an auxiliary verb. You know. So I don't know. You don't understand. We don't work. We don't cook. Okay. Good. They don't know. They don't understand. They don't work. They don't cook. Very good. So this is a plural subjects, okay? Except subject I, you, we, they. Okay? So I, you, we, they are used with don't. But if the subjects are third person singular, like he, she, it what? Does not. Okay? Does not or doesn't. Doesn't. Let's use the same verb as here. He doesn't.
No.
He doesn't.
Understand.
He doesn't.
Work.
He doesn't cook. Good. He doesn't know. He doesn't understand. He doesn't work. He doesn't cook. Okay? It means that it's negative. It's negative. He doesn't know. Means he doesn't know you. Okay? He doesn't understand. He doesn't understand the topic. He doesn't understand the lesson. He doesn't understand. Okay? You. Good. So in this case, we make it negative. It is in the negative form. The next one is how do we use it in questions, okay? How do we use do and does in questions? So the thing I do is that I will bring do to the front. Do. See? Here I need a verb now. Do I? A verb, an action verb. Do I work? You can use do I work?
Do I work?
Do I teach? Another. Do I look? Do I drive? Do I go? Do I write?
Do I cook?
Do I cook? Very good. Do I work? But what we need here is a question. We need question because we need question at the end of every question. Do I work in a bank? Do you teach at school? Do we look at you? Okay. Do they drive what? A car?
Cycle.
Do they actually for bicycle we say we don't say drive but we say what? For bicycle we say that. Ride. Very good. Do they ride a bike? Do they ride a horse? Very good. So what you should notice is this do is a helping verb. In this case also, this do is used as a helping verb. Next, the subject, okay? Do I work? Do I teach? Do I go? Then you need a complement. The next one is he, she, it, belong, okay? What's the helping verb or the auxiliary verb that we use here?
Does.
Does, yeah. Very good. Does. Does he work? Where? Does he teach? Does she look? Can you say it? Does it work? Does it sound good? Okay, that's Bilal. Let's make a sentence using Bilal. Does Bilal learn?
Drive.
Does Bilal drive? Does Bilal read? Okay. Does Bilal go home? Does Bilal learn? Does Bilal walk? You see? So what? There is a verb here. Let me write one verb here. Write. Let me add. Speak. Then don't forget to put a question mark. Does Bilal write very well? Does Bilal speak French? Does Bilal speak English? Very good question. For this question, we need an answer. Okay, let's have the short answers. Okay, let's begin from these subjects. Do I work? If a person asks you, do I work? What's your answer? Do I work? Your answer will be when your answer is positive, you say yes, you do. Yes, you do for positive. Do I teach?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. You have to say you because
Yes, you do.
I'm asking about myself. Okay. Do I teach?
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do. Do I eat?
Yes, you
Yes,
do.
you do. Do I drive?
Yes, you do.
Do I speak?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Let's change the subject. Do you? Do you cook?
Yes, you do.
Yes, I do. You have to say yes, I do. Yeah, because I'm asking about yourself. Okay.
Yes.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook.
Yes, I do. Only
Yes, I
do.
do.
Yes, I
Yes, I
do.
do.
Okay, very good. Just relax. MashaAllah, it's very good. MashaAllah. Do you cook?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. All the answer that you say is that yes, I do. Do you learn?
Yes, I learn.
Yes, I do. Say yes, I. For every question I ask you,
Yes, I
Mrs. Do, your answer will be okay. Do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay. Okay. Do you write?
Yes, I do.
Do you drive?
Yes, I do.
Do you go?
Yes, I do.
Do you go to school?
Yes,
yes
I
I do. Very good. let's change the subject. Do we? Do we? Okay. Do we learn?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do. Do we learn?
Yes, we do.
Do we understand?
Yes, we do.
Do we teach?
Yes, we do.
Do we speak?
Yes, we do.
Do we live? Yes, we do. Let's speak louder, a little louder, okay? Yes, we
Yes,
do.
we do.
Yeah. Okay, does he? Okay, we have already said the answers. Okay, how about does he go? Does he go to school? Yes, he does, okay? Does he go to school?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Does she write?
Yes, you.
Yes, she does. Does it work?
Yes, she does.
Yes, it does. We have
It
to
is.
say, yeah.
It does.
You have to say, you have to give the answer with the subject, okay? Does it work? Yes, please speak louder, okay? Does it work?
Yes.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Say yes, it does. Very good. Does Bilal learn?
Yes.
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Does Bilal learn?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does. Very good. These are the positive answers. What about with the negative? Let's make sentences with the negatives, okay? Does he learn? Yes, no, he doesn't. If the answer is negative, we have to say no, okay? Does he learn? No,
No,
he doesn't. Does she cook?
No, she doesn't.
Does she speak?
No, she doesn't.
Does Bilal study?
No.
He doesn't. No, he doesn't. Okay? Very good. This is the way we do in negatives. So, in notes, I mean in question marks. Okay? So, we have learned 3 uses of do. The first one is how we use them in as a main verb. Let's say like that of I do yoga, I do an exercise, I do the housework, I do the homework. The next one is how we use them in negatives, okay? Like that of I don't work, we don't study, they don't understand, okay? In negatives, he or she doesn't work, he doesn't work, you know? The next one is, lastly, we have learned about how to make questions, okay? Does she teach? Does he work? Do we understand, okay, this way? So, we have learned the uses of do and does. That will be the end of our today's class. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like our videos, please like our videos, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.